My name is Giovanni Trujillo. I am 27 years old. I like to play soccer, sleep and listen to music. I live in Bogotá with my wife. My holidays Popayán. In my vacation, I went to Popayán, Cauca. I stayed for 5 days and went with my wife to visit my family. I like to go because it is a very family environment and different from the city of Bogotá, where I currently live. During the trip, I spent 1 million since we met several stops. The first was Ibagué, where we spent the night and the weather was fresh and the food delicious. Recommendation: bring good money signs. There are many tourist places along the way. Have a good camera or cell phone with good resolution for their photos. Use sunscreen. Wear warm and cold weather clothing since there are places of different climates. May stop at Melgar to enjoy the best swimming pools. During the trip, make a stop in Ibagué to try the tamales de suclin. Visit different tourist places in Popayán and museum. Martyrs de Valencia House, the humiliating Britney. Go with a good company. What you should do in Popayán? Go with good weather to visit the different tourist sites of the city of Popayán. What should not be done in Popayán? Do not ride a motorcycle from 11 at night in show. 5 in the morning and it's prohibited. The weather in Popayán, Cauca. The climate in Popayán is warm and the temperate. Popayán is a city with significant rainfall. Even in the driest month there is a lot of rain. Thank you.